In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add meta tags to your WordPress website. Meta tags are crucial for improving your site's SEO, ensuring that search engines can accurately understand and index your content. They also play a significant role in enhancing how your web pages appear in search results. So, let's dive right in and learn how you can easily add these important elements to your WordPress site. Before we begin, let's first understand what meta tags are. Meta tags are snippets of text that describe a page's content. They're inserted into the HTML and behind the scenes of your web pages. These tags help inform search engines about the page's content and how to display it in search results. While users don't see them, they play a crucial role in ensuring your content is accessible and relevance is highlighted. To add meta tags to a WordPress website, you will first need to install an SEO plugin. This is because WordPress doesn't provide a dedicated field for meta tags by default. A popular choice among users is the Yoast Seo Plugin due to its popularity and comprehensive features. To install, simply log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Plugins section. From there, click on Add New and in the search bar, type Yoast Seo. Once it appears, click Install Now and then Activate. After activating the plugin, let's proceed to add our first set of meta tags. Go to the page or post on which you want to add meta tags. Here, you will find a Yoast Seo box below the editor. The focus here should be on the Meta Description section. Enter a concise and compelling description of your content. This description should be up to 160 characters and comprise relevant keywords, as it's what users will see in search results below your page title. It's essential to make this captivating to improve click-through rates. Now, besides the meta description, you should also focus on the SEO title. While not a meta tag per se, this title plays a vital role in capturing user attention and is often regarded as a meta element. Yoast allows you to easily customize this title. Ensure it summarizes the page content and includes primary keywords for better visibility and search ranking. Remember that the SEO title should be roughly 60 characters in length to avoid being cut off in search results. Once you've added these details, ensure to save your changes. This is crucial, as without saving, your updates won't be reflected live. Additionally, view your page as a preview to ensure everything is displayed as intended. To sum it all up, using an SEO plugin like Yoast Seo streamlines the process of adding meta tags to your WordPress website. By diligently adding effective meta descriptions and SEO titles, you significantly boost your site's search engine visibility. As always, make sure to keep these metadata descriptions and titles updated with relevant content changes. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful WordPress tips and tutorials.